Good morning. Oh, finally got some much needed Z's after that long day of traveling. Blue skies today. We're gonna go catch a coffee, some light breakfast, and then it's off to go on that walking tour in front of St. Stephen's Basilica. Pretty stoked about that. One of our Ukrainian friends told us, who travels a lot, told us about the free walking tours and how what a great resource they are. You know, they're done by volunteers who really care and love their community, and just at the end you tip. And it's a great way to see some sights on a budget and get some history, so we're pretty pumped for that. So we'll catch you up. We're leaving our hostel right now. I just wanted to show you how primo our location is. Noelle is the best at all things logistics.
At all things.
At all things. We should just leave it at that. So, yeah. Let's go.
on the picture, the person that it was named after. You can see that this is the bus station where we are standing now, and this is the bus station where we are now, where we are standing. We had a question. And now, guys, this is where we are going to finish our sightseeing, and we are standing in front of arguably the most beautiful church in Budapest. And you are standing now, guys, in front of a church which has more than 700 years of history. So this is a very, very old.
Okay, we are done with our tour. It was fantastic. Our tour guide was highly recommended. We're feeling kind of pooped, and so we decided that we're gonna go find bubble tea. So now we're gonna go back into the Pest side of town and try to find some bubble tea and see what else we can get into. Yeah, quick pit stop here at this outdoor little eatery. Fried dough, sour cream and cheese, aka langos. Langos. Mission success. Cheers.
Cheers, Budmo.
Budmo, hey.
They're like perfectly cooked.
Just found this giant indoor bazaar. Grand Market Hall. Check this out, meat lovers.
Looks like it used to be a train station.
It's huge.
Shanky.
Oh man,
Do we need some?
we definitely have to go have some. It doesn't have to be right now.
Please, Oké, és itt leszek, hogy várnak, jó?
This is just the downstairs. We're gonna go up and eat our way through it all. So this place is awesome.